Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to find WhatsApp backup data on Google Drive. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, open up your Google Drive. Okay, tap on it, wait for it to load. Once it loads, you gotta go to the top left, tap on the 3 horizontal lines. And then here you should be able to see a backup option, okay, or a section. So all you gotta do is just tap on it and you will have your WhatsApp backups listed, okay? If not, as you can see here, in my case, I don't have it as well. Well, the only option for you is go ahead and back up your chats manually. All right, so go ahead and open up WhatsApp. Now tap on the 3 dots or tap on your profile. Okay, 3 dots if you're using iOS. Profile right here at the bottom right if you're using Android. So go ahead and find chat, tap on it. Now scroll all the way down and tap on chat history. And then go ahead and export a chat. Okay. For example, I wanted to export this chat with Mr. Anto. So I'm going to tap on it. Now include media or without media. And by the way, this option, you will have to export each chat, okay, or person to person manually. For example, I have selected Mr. Anto. I would go ahead and make a backup with our specific chat. And then after that, I'm going to go ahead and open up William's chat. And then I'm going to go ahead and export it as well. Okay. That's how it works. So include media or without media. I'm just going to go ahead and export without media, and then I'm going to go ahead and save it to my Google Drive or right here. Okay. Now tap on upload. You can change the file name right here at the location as well. So hit on upload, wait for it to load. And then once it loads, go ahead and go back to your Google Drive right here. And then go ahead over to recent. And you should now be able to see the backups, okay? There you have it. That is how you find the WhatsApp backup data on Google Drive. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.